I don't know about you, but this year has flown incredibly fast. Can you believe that today is the last day of 2022? Where has the time gone? I want you to take this moment right now and think about three things that you have been victorious in the year 2022. I'll explain why in a second. The reason why I want you to do this, instead of just writing a bunch of lists of goals that you want for the next year, is I want you to start noticing what types of things that you naturally invest your time in. And the best way to know that is by how you've been winning, okay? Everybody's been winning. Even if you don't feel like this year was your year, a lot of us don't. I bet you there's at least three things or areas in your life where you have been absolutely killing it. So take that second right now and write those three things down, okay? Okay, so did you write those three things down? All right, I want you to look at them closely. What do these three things have in common? Is there a pattern? So you might notice that maybe a lot of these things have to do with self-improvement, or maybe they have to do with relationships, or maybe even with self-development or self-care. Or it could be something like financial goals. Whatever those things are, take a look at those, and that will tell you what you value most right now, or at least this past year. Why is this important? Number one, clarity. It helps you keep it real with yourself. Instead of saying that something matters to you that really doesn't, you can go ahead and look and see what you've been investing your time in. You can see what your values are right there. But if you notice that a lot of those things are in alignment with what you are currently valuing, then you're well on your way to creating goals that are in alignment with what you really want. And anytime your goals are in alignment with who you are and what you value, honey, you're going to be successful, okay? You're going to be way more likely to stick to these goals you set for yourself in 2023. If any of those goals happen to do with developing your voice, go ahead and click this link here. Today is the last day I'm going to offer this sale for the holidays and the new year. Type in Sing Holiday 22 at checkout and save 25% on one-on-one vocal coaching or my online course, The R&B Singer's Arsenal. Well, until next time, happy singing.